Hey everybody, welcome back again. Ken here, M&B Homestead, doing some much needed springtime maintenance on all the gasoline powered engines. As you saw in another video, I just changed the oil on the chipper shredder. Next up is the log splitter. I wanted to take you down the log splitter, give you a quick review on it, and let you see which one we have. Okay, so let me flip things around and we'll keep going. Okay, I had to flip the microphone around, but so this is the splitter. Again, made by Harbor Freight. I'm not a Harbor Freight junkie, but I like some of their stuff, so this is very well put together, I'll say. It is a 20-ton splitter. It has gas-powered engine. I want to say it's 212 cc's, just like the chipper shredder. As you can see, the blade, it's bi-directional, so it splits going that way and then coming back, so you can increase your productivity a little bit and not be there just doing it one direction like some of them are. Okay, so we gotta get the splitter out. Again, this engine, it has the oil fill plug there, and then right down there is the drain plug. There's one exactly like that on the other side also. So I'm gonna get the splitter out and get it positioned so we can do the oil change. All right, drain plug right here. Okay, I already got the thing kind of tipped, so we're just gonna work on that, getting it out. And since there's two fill plugs, we're just gonna do that. And I did the one thing I didn't want to do, and it was drop the plug in the container, but not the end of the world. Okay, so not the best design for a drain plug. Let's see if we can tip that up a little bit more. Maybe not. I'll just keep an eye on it. Got the shop towels underneath it, so it'll keep draining. So just drain it out. Let's take cover off it. Doesn't look too bad, so I'll just leave that alone. On the air cleaner, doesn't look bad at all, so I'm just going to leave that alone. Okay. You want to make sure those are clean, free of debris, stuff like that. You think they would have given you just a little bit of space, maybe to let that drain out better, but I'll have to think of something better for it. Maybe getting it up off the ground a little higher, and I can do that. So Now what I gotta do is dump the oil out of the container and wait for the plug to appear so I can put it back. Or if I can, get a magnet. Got a little magnet tool with a gripper on it. Worked great, look at that. Got her out. Got a little oil on the gripper tool, but it'll help lube it up a little bit too. Make it work just that much better. Alright, I'll get ready to put this back. That was good. Round 2. Kind of wanted to do the plug with the bucket underneath it there to catch anything. There we go. Alright. Shop towels back in the bin. You know, great. What they're designed for. Put my other fill plug back in now, because I'll use this side here to. No, I'll probably use that side. It's easier. I'll put a funnel in there and be ready to rock and roll. So let me go measure oil out and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Got the proper oil. I know you can't see me, I got the funnel here. I'm going to dump half a quart in here. He called for 10W30 instead of 5W30. That's if you're 5W30 if you're going below 32 degrees. So we're going to use 10W30, get it in there so that it works right. Gotta take your time pouring it in there, you know. You don't want any of this liquid gold to spill out on you. And I always give it a little bit of extra time to let that last little bit drain out, so that you make sure you get that full half quart in there. Okay. Alright, oil change done on the splitter. We're going to be using that pretty soon too, so I want to make sure I got those done pretty quick. Alright, everything's done on that. I checked the air cleaner. I'll check the hydraulic fluid in a little bit. We'll check the hydraulic fluid in a little bit, make sure that it's okay and not none leaked out or needs to be topped off. You want to keep that hydraulic fluid up so you don't lose pressure at all when you're trying to split a big piece. They say the limit on there is like 20 to 24 inch piece around. Okay, I've done a 3-foot piece on there. You just have to split it, rotate it a little bit, split it, rotate it, and it'll fall apart, and then you start bringing the chunks up and splitting them the way you need to. So oil change is all done. Check the air cleaner, looks good. So I'm going to get this ready to rock and roll for the splitting up some of the wood we have. So if you're a new subscriber, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell next to it to get notified of all the videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. I appreciate it. And as I always say, see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.